Can't find the perfect laundry stool that actually lasts these days? Modern Lifestyle's plastic laundry stool, available in 2 sizes, in blue and green colors, safe, stronger and smarter choice. Available in small and large size, it's versatile for any use. It's made with premium PVC, so it's stronger and longer lasting than brittle plastics. Here are its safety features. It has anti-slip rubber feet that prevents sliding. Has non-slip textured surface. It has extra grip even when wet. It doesn't scratch or damage any floors. It has reinforced structure, supports daily use without bending or breaking. Ideal for seniors, adults, pregnant women, or those with mobility issues. It helps reduce stress and fear of slipping. Modern Lifestyle plastic laundry stool is safer, stronger and a smarter choice for many reasons versus the cheap online alternatives. So upgrade to a stool that lasts. All made with high-quality materials, it will be with you for a long time. It's perfect for laundries, bathrooms, elderly support, and daily household use. It's now available at all leading Ace Hardware stores nationwide, with 30 years of experience, long-lasting performance, and the highest quality available in the market. It would be the best choice to buy Modern Lifestyle plastic laundry stool.